Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to create WhatsApp group. And of course, you can add key workers to facilitate communication with them, as you can add family members or add your friends. So to figure it out, let's get started. Well, first, after getting the application and make WhatsApp group, you can either tap on the three dots, then choose the first option or new group, or tap on this icon right below in the corner and tap on new group. When this interface appears, choose the participants you want to add them to the group, whether from the list or if you want to search for them from the search bar. You can add up to 100 participants to the group. Also, after creating your group, you can create a link of the group to invite anyone to join it. Anyways, once you're done, tap on the arrow. Now choose a name to your group. And I just want to mention that you can't exceed more than 25 characters. You can also add emojis to the name by tap on the emoji icon. Add a picture, whether from gallery, camera, or search web. Also emojis and stickers. Once you're done, tap on the Nike icon. We're gonna wait a little bit. And like that, the group has been created successfully. Thanks for watching. See ya!